Hey guys, I'm Kyle. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Primetime Boost on Tinder. So let's get started. So now, if you don't know what Primetime Boost is, it's a boost that can increase your chances of getting matches because your profile will be shown to more users at the top of the stack in your area during those key times, often resulting in more attentions and interactions. So now once you're in Tinder, what you want to do is tap on the purple lightning icon at the bottom right of your screen. So tap on it. And from here, you will now see the boost right here. So the first thing is that you want to purchase the boost. So choose whatever you want. So you can go for 1 boost, 5 boost, or 10 boost, or you could even get the get Tinder Gold. As you can see at the bottom, you can tap on select. And from here, you can see that you get 1 free boost per month if you avail the Tinder Gold right here. So this is what I recommend because you get more features with this one. So yeah, it depends on what you want, but what matters is you need to purchase the boost right here. So once you have purchased it, then you can now activate it. So after purchasing, you can now activate the boost during a high traffic time to maximize your profile's visibility. Tinder typically suggests when prime activity times are, or you can choose based on your preference. So primetime boosts are often most effective during the evening, which is when most people are active on Tinder. So make sure to use your boost wisely. So that is basically it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.